Today I'm going to show you marked domino cards. These are double 6 dominoes set that we sell on howtomarkcards.com. Here's the infrared contact lenses. These are the 7mm. You can use these. They're about as big as a pupil once they're in your eye, and it's like mid-light range. Like this lighting right here is a little bright, but if you were in like a poker setting or a domino kind of setting around a table with a dim light, these will be undetectable. They're the same size as your pupil in that lighting. These are the sunglasses, same exact filter as the contact lenses, and we're going to use these to show you the marked card or the marked dominoes today. So, and these are just black plastic frames. We also sell an aviator frame. So on the outside, they look empty. They look blank, you know, they're regular dominoes. But when you add the infrared filter, you can virtually see the markings, which is kind of hard with this camera, but I can make out that, let's see, this is 6-4. I don't know if it's kind of hard to see the 4, but 6-4. Let's see, 4-3. 4-3. Let's see. That looks like a 2-5. This one. Again, you can see the 5 and the 2. 5-2. This is a 3-1. 3-1. This looks like a 6-5. 6-5. This looks like a 6-1. 6-1. This looks like a 3-3. Yep, 3-3. 4-1. 5. Let's see. 5 blank. Yep. This looks like a 2-2. Well, we already flipped this one, so 2-2. This one looks like a 2-1. 2-1. And they're all marked. There's 28 of them, and all of them are marked. So if you want to get down, this is a 1-1. This is a, looks like a 6-2. That one's kind of hard to see, but yeah, that one's a 6-2. This lighting in the camera, I'm looking through the camera, so it's kind of hard making sure that you guys can see it. This looks like a 4-3. When you actually wear the glasses and it's lighting like this, it's clear as day. But as you can see, these are all marked perfectly. Great for when you're gambling dominoes. These sets are a little more expensive because they take a long time to mark. It's a long process, but shipping isn't too bad. I'd say about 1.5 to 2 weeks to ship. And again, this is a set you can buy just the dominoes if you already have the sunglasses or contact lenses for cards. You can also get the set where it's the dominoes and the sunglasses, or the dominoes and the contact lenses. This is, well, right now we're running a special, so contact lenses and dominoes could save you some money. Check out the website, www.howtomarkcards.com.